If you love butterflies, and don't we all, this collection of Dazzles is perfect. There are 117, and we call them beautiful butterflies. And let me show you. Every single sheet is using the same mold, but we've done it in many finishes. So let me show you. This is the glitter transparent finish, and as I lift up this butterfly, you can see, hopefully you can see, the center area remains transparent, but it's got glitter on it. So really, really nice. So I'm just going to pop that right back on there and show you the others. So as I said, it's the same finish, but here we have it in a gold glitter, red glitter, silver glitter. Then we go into the pearl finishes, and we have gold pearl with silver foiling, pink pearl with silver foiling, and then silver pearl with gold foiling. Got all of that? And I'm not done. We have another. So we've got our regular black and white. I know you can't see the white, but trust me, it's there. And it is the same mold. So it's going to have the butterflies, it's going to have some borders, it's got some swirls, lots of different sizes of borders, even a frame, and the word wish, as well as a tiny butterfly right there. Now, what is this going to look like? Well, I happen to have a scrapbook page right here, and this is using our brand new denim bouquet papers, and here is one of those great big silver butterflies. Now, we placed it onto another one of the denim bouquet papers and simply trimmed right next to it with short scissors. Now, when you get to the antenna, just simply lift the antenna up, hold it down with your finger, and cut underneath it. And then we've taped this, foam taped this right in, just so that you have the body down and you can let the wings flutter. Very nice, especially for card making and tags and planners and so forth. The one up here, we simply backed it with the paper and then just foam taped it on. And then some of those little butterflies also found their way onto this page. So, and then the word wish is even right there. So this is a really nice example to show you just some of the things that you can do with 117 beautiful butterfly Dazzles.